This brand new channel exploded after their first video eclipsed over 500,000 views in 2 short weeks. So the question here is, can you get monetized with one video? Well, luckily for you, I'll tell you how this is possible and how you could have similar success. Actually, I'll draw it out for you, and you definitely want to stick around until the end because I will be revealing if this channel is monetized or not. And I apologize in advance if you're looking for the lazy way, this is not it. So what did this channel do to create a video that got them so many views? They put in a ton of effort to combine multiple elements into the perfect video. Well, I don't know if a perfect video exists, but you can let me know in the comments. Where to start? You want to choose a niche that's growing in popularity, and you want to choose a trending topic, one with high search volume. Then you must create a thumbnail that intrigues potential viewers, but doesn't give away the plot of your video. Just look at this thumbnail. You see the ChatGPT logo and an arrow pointing at what appears to be a YouTube video. Under the words per month revenue, you see $13,644. Now you're wondering, what does ChatGPT do to help generate so much money per month? Now let's look at the title. How I made a faceless YouTube channel using only AI. And now you're even more curious. You're left thinking, I can make a channel without showing my face? And AI is going to do all the work? Let me see what this video is about. Now you're watching the video and you cannot look away. The video is very engaging. You could easily miss something if you turned away even for a second. There are about 75 different scenes throughout the video, none lasting than 3 seconds. If it did, there was still some type of movement within that scene. This keeps the viewer engaged. So far we have the niche, topic, thumbnail, title, and video. There is one more thing to add, and I hinted at it earlier in the video. Timing is everything. And I believe the timing for this video is perfect. The amount of artificial intelligence content being thrown our way is like drinking water from a fire hose. AI content is everywhere, whether it's in the news, from your friends, or of course, YouTube. Artificial intelligence is a highly searched topic, and this trend is not slowing down anytime soon. Just to recap, you have the right niche, topic, thumbnail, title, video, and now timing. You have the recipe for success. Execute these well and the YouTube algorithm will absolutely adore you. And now to address this question, how to get monetized on YouTube with one video. If you did not know this, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time over the past year. Let's focus on the watch time here. How many views are needed? Let's do some math. This video is 4 minutes long, but let's say they have an average watch time of 2 minutes, which is quite modest to be honest. We have to multiply 4,000 hours by 60 minutes. This equals 240,000. 240,000 is what is needed to get monetized. Next, we will need to divide 240 minutes by the average watch time. In this case, that's 2 minutes. 240,000 divided by 2 equals 120,000. 120,000 views is what this channel needed. Just so you know, for a video that is 5 minutes long, 48,000 views would be needed. You might have seen other people advocating quantity over quality, but I believe quality is the way to go. Even Mr. Beast agrees.
It's much easier to get 5 million views on one video than 50,000 views on 100 videos.
Here's another channel that believes in quality over quantity. They've been around since 2018 and average about 20 videos a year. Every month, they average around 2 million views, and they're making up to $8,400 each month according to Social Blade. Focusing on high quality videos will pay off in the long run. As for the 1,000 subscribers requirement, this channel has about 20,000 at the time of this recording. But are they monetized? Here is the answer. That can either be their personal choice, or it may have something to do with their channel name. Regardless, ad revenue is not the only way to make money on YouTube. With the amount of views that they are getting, they can make a ton through affiliate marketing, and I'll explain in a future video. They're not the only one with this type of success in a short time frame. Journey5 was able to reach 1,000 subscribers in 7 days with just one video. Until next time.